Welcome back guys to my channel Execute Create, and this video is going to be a little bit different than my previous videos. Instead of me giving out advice on what's been helping me, this is going to be a tutorial on how to apply to affiliate programs and basically to any website you want. Amazon, Max Bounty, PicMonkey, whatever you plan on promoting. It's very simple, it's very straightforward for most websites. And even the more difficult ones where people kind of get discouraged because they hear that Max Bounty has a phone interview or you need a website. I've gotten approved to all of these without a website, and the phone interview for Max Bounty is very simple. So I'll go over all that in today's video. So stay tuned. Alright, so let's get started, guys. The website that we're going to apply to the affiliate program is going to be Amazon, which is a great affiliate program to start off with when you're first starting affiliate marketing, because everybody knows who Amazon is. And I'm logged into my account, so of course we're going to sign out of my current account and we're going to start from the very beginning. So just waiting for it to load. And boom, so it no longer says that we're signed into my account. So of course the affiliate programs for every website is always going to be at the very bottom, where it has the description, the get to know, the let us help you, basically everything. So you're going to go to become an affiliate, going to click on that, and it tells you right there exactly what they offer as far as affiliate, the commissions and all that. And we're going to go to the join now for free, and we're going to create an account. Of course you're going to put your information. I'm going to pause it and then get started to the next one. And then here it's going to ask for your, again, just your basic information, PE, address, city, zip, all that good stuff. And then I'm going to fill it out and then take you guys to the next screen. Perfect. And on this one, it's going to ask for your website. And when you don't have a website, this is where people kind of get stuck. But what you can do is you could use your Facebook page. So you just go to Facebook, you go to your personal account, and then you just copy and paste the little link on top. Just show you guys how to do right now. And paste. And you could also put in, if you have a YouTube channel, when I first created mine I didn't, but now I do, so you could also put your YouTube channel as well if you want. Definitely gonna better your chances of getting approved. It's not gonna hurt. And then let's hit the next. And no, it's not primarily for children under 13. Right here, you're gonna just put in your name, whatever you want to put down. It tells you exactly there what it means. When I did mine, I put my personal brand Execute Create on there. So on my little affiliate links, it has Execute Create. So we're gonna fill that out. The website. It's going to ask for the details and all that. What's next? So, which of the following topics best describe your website or mobile apps? Click on that. You could just scroll through all of the options right here, whatever best fits the description for what you're going to be doing. And what I put is education. And then for the second topic, since I have a photography group, what I ended up putting is I scroll to the bottom here and ended up putting the photography as my secondary. But you could put whatever you guys you want. And photography is right there. And then what type of products do you plan on promoting? Books, of course, digital downloads, sports and outdoors, and electronics. But if you plan on promoting different products, you can always click the ones that you plan on promoting. Alrighty, and here select primary, content or niche website, definitely. And then for the second one, we put blog. And right here, how do you drive traffic to your website? Email, social networks, and blogs. how to utilize your websites and apps to generate income. I'm gonna go to Amazon Associates is the only way I monetize my site. And then since we have other affiliate programs as well, I have Max Bounty and PicMonkey and a couple other ones, so we're going to do the other affiliate programs. How do you usually build links? I selected the HTML editor. And then for unique visitors, we're going to put less than 500 to monetize my site. Click the wrong one. And we heard through them through online search. And of course you're just gonna fill out the little box here. Oh, and I guess we forgot to put this up, so it's gonna enter in something random. Young Posty, and what are your websites or mobile apps about? So this is where you can basically just make it your own, put whatever you guys want. Of course, make it sound good. So we're gonna put something along the lines that, we're gonna promote through Facebook ads, Facebook groups, YouTube. Or if you don't have YouTube, just Facebook or Facebook groups, landing pages, your website, whatever you have. If you do, have a website, you could also add your website in it, and just talk about the products that you're going to be selling. So you don't have to be specific. I'm excited to share all the wonderful products that I use and that I feel are really good. So just something basic like that. And hit the next. And you're just going to enter in your phone number. I'm going to pause the video here, enter it in, and then the next page is going to be, there we go, us getting approved for the Amazon affiliate. So you go back to your Amazon account and you could promote any product that they sell on Amazon, and Amazon has a 24-day cookie. So even if they don't buy whatever you're promoting right then and there, but they click on your link, if they go back within 24 hours, you get the commission still for any product that you're promoting. It doesn't have to be the one that you necessarily promoted. So for example, I promote my lens and the Boost microphone that I use, and even if they click on that and they buy something completely different, then I will still get the commission off of that, which is really good. And that's it for today, guys. That's basically how you apply to Amazon's affiliate program, and that goes the same for any affiliate program. So I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial.